What if one plant could support your immune system, improve digestion, increase energy, and nourish your body at a cellular level? And what if most people are only scratching the surface of its true potential? Today, we're diving deep into Moringa, from leaf to powder, and uncovering what makes this plant one of the most respected natural superfoods in the world. By the end of this video, you'll understand where Moringa comes from, how it becomes powder, its real benefits, and how to use it correctly. Let's begin. What is Moringa? Moringa comes from the tree known scientifically as Moringa Oleifera. It is often called the miracle tree because almost every part of it is useful: leaves, seeds, pods, and even bark. Native to parts of Africa and Asia, Moringa has been used for centuries in traditional wellness practices. But the most popular and widely consumed part today is the leaf, especially in powdered form.
Why?
Because the leaves contain an extraordinary concentration of nutrients. But how does it go from fresh leaf to the green powder you see in stores? The power of Moringa depends heavily on processing. Step 1. Harvesting. Leaves must be picked fresh and at the right maturity stage. Step 2. Cleaning.
Proper baixing removes contaminants.
Step 3. Drying. Low-temperature drying is critical. High heat destroys nutrients. Step 4. Grinding. Leaves are ground into a fine green powder. If this process is rushed or done poorly, nutrient quality drops significantly. That's why understanding from leaf to powder is essential. Quality determines effectiveness. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, potassium, plant-based protein, antioxidants. These nutrients support cellular repair, oxygen transport, bone health, immune strength, metabolism. Antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, which contributes to inflammation and aging. But nutrients alone don't tell the whole story. Let's explore the benefits. Core health benefits are 1. Immune support. Vitamin C and antioxidants help strengthen immune defense. 2. Natural energy support. Iron supports oxygen transport in the blood, which may improve energy levels. 3. Digestive health. Moringa contains fiber that supports gut health and digestion. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some plant compounds in Moringa may help reduce inflammation markers. 5. Skin and cellular health. Antioxidants support skin clarity and protect cells from oxidative damage. 6. Nutritional supplementation. For individuals with limited access to diverse diets, Moringa can help supplement micronutrients. However, using it incorrectly reduces results. Why most people use Moringa wrong. Mistake 1. Overdosing. More is not better. Mistake 2. Inconsistent use. Natural wellness requires consistency. Mistake 3. Ignoring quality. Low-grade powder equals low results. Mistake 4. Not understanding timing. Morning use often works best for energy support. This is where structured guidance becomes important.
If you truly want to understand
the correct dosage, best time to take Moringa, who should avoid it, how to choose high-quality powder, how to combine it with a healthy routine, the complete leaf-to-powder process. I created a detailed guide titled, From Leaf to Powder, Everything You Need to Know About Moringa. It breaks everything down step by step in a simple, practical way. You can find the link in the description below. And if you're serious about natural health, plant-based nutrition, and wellness strategies, make sure you subscribe to our channel.